Yo, what is up? I'm trying these Karl gummies that I have right here. Let me open these first. Alright, got them open, and this is what they look like. Well, yeah. Can't change it. Karl's gummies. So, I'm doing this bathroom. Do not judge me. Okay. So we're just gonna try these. It's sour green apple. Ooh. Look at that. Oh, that's really good. Hold on. This is really good. Yeah. That's really good. It's a sour green apple. You know, I'm not getting a sour taste out of it like I wanted it to be, so we're gonna make them sour. Oh yeah. Look at that. Warheads. Juicy drops. Double drops. Well, they're double drops. Let's get there we go. I'm gonna do that. Alright.
And it does help to have some of those around even in your prepper.
There we go.
Because you do have scenarios where that could come in use. And they just
Okay. Yeah, that's a little bit more sour. Let's go. I'm sorry, but these are so good. These are more, and they're so good. Oh. Bye.